Hello friends, how are you all? Hope you all are fine. Welcome back to our channel Heaven of Angels.
Guess you guys were waiting for our new video.
Here it is.
Today we are gonna show you
How to make this
Super cool and easy paper flowers. It is very easy. Let's see how to make it. Before going to the video, I would like to announce the shoutouts for today. Don't worry if you didn't get the shoutout. Next time you will be there. So these are the shoutouts for today. Goes to Shika Baburaj, Kavya Priya, Crazy Axe, Esther Sara, Bro 6986, Fatima Fami, Jesli Pandey, Meena 3016. Thank you all for commenting. These are the only things we need to make this. Color papers, scissors, glue, paint and waste paper. Here I am using the paper of my old textbook. If you have more green paper, you can use that.
things we need.
So what you have to do first is take a color paper and fold it in half, and you have to fold it in the rectangular way. After folding, what you have to do is just cut that part. Now keep the other paper aside. With this, what you have to do is again fold it rectangularly. Then take the scale and draw a thin line in its opening place. You can look in the video and understand that. The next step is to cut it up to thin strips, but don't cut it completely, just until the line. So I have cut it into thin strips. The next step is you have to open it up and then just twist the paper upside down. When we twist the paper, the line we drew will be visible. In that place, you have to apply some glue. So now I have applied the glue. Next, what you have to do is just twist it and then stick the other side to the opposite. Stick it slowly and carefully so that it cannot tear. Now it is ready, just keep it aside. Now for making the stem, you will need that waste paper we have took before. If you have green colored paper more, then you can use that, but I was not having, so I am using this. So what you have to do with this is just take a pencil and then take the end and roll like how I am doing in the video. You have to make stems with these. Once the pencil goes in, just pull it out. Then when you reach the end, just apply some glue there and roll again. The stick is ready. Next we have to paint it. Now for painting, I am using green paint. I am painting it with the help of a sponge because sponge works better than a brush. So now I have painted it completely. It looks like a real stem. As the ends are not clean, we have to just cut it out. Now I have taken both of the pieces. Now what you have to do is just apply some glue in the end where I am applying. Then just take the stem and also apply at the end of the stem. Then take the paper and then just start sticking like how I do in the video. Do it carefully because there is a chance of tearing. How you have to roll is slantingly, like I'm doing. You have to do slantingly, not straight. Don't give too much space in between. Our flower is ready. We'll just show you once more. What you have to do is just fold it in half. Then draw a line. Then cut it into small strips. Then just open it and apply the glue on the line and fold and stick it out. Ready? Then take the stick, apply the glue and stick it. That's all, we are done. We hope you liked our video.
If you did, don't